Hi, thank you for purchasing Shoe Bottoms. This is an install guide for our popular colored sole kit. To apply the kit correctly, you will need a pair of scissors, a Sharpie marker, water in a spray bottle, and a hairdryer. When you receive your kit, you will include 4 easy template strips, 4 colored strips, and alcohol cleaning wipes. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your shoe's sole with the included alcohol wipes. If the heels have been worn before, we recommend cleaning the sole first with some type of household cleaner, then wiping down with the alcohol swabs. Next, remove the paper liner of the longer clear template strip and set aside. Apply the strip to the sole, starting at the toe and working towards the heel, working out as many bubbles and creases as possible. Repeat this with the heel area, slightly overlapping the longer strip at the arch. Using a marker, trace the outline of the shoe sole. We recommend doing the template first on both your left and your right shoe. The reason is, the template you are creating is actually going to be a mirror image of the piece that's actually needed. In other words, the template you are tracing on the left shoe will be to create the colored strip for the right. After tracing the sole, remove both strips. Set one aside. Separate the heel section from the sole section and set the heel strip aside for the moment. Apply the template to the back of the colored strip. Align the template in a way that will leave you as much of the textured area as possible. Cut along the outside of the line. We recommend you use this line as a guide. Be sure to make your cut as clean and as smooth as possible, especially along the curved sections. Test fit the strip on the sole and trim off any pieces that are overhanging. Begin peeling back the paper lining covering the front section of the strip. Fold the liner back at the point where the textured area ends. Align the strip starting at the toe. Make sure to check the arch area for correct alignment before pressing firmly on the textured area. Fold the remaining material over and spray a small amount of water on the arch area. A very small amount of water is all you need. Remove the remaining section of the liner and apply to the sole. Start at the ball of the shoe and work the material towards the arch. The water will allow easy reposition of the material and work out any bubbles or creases. Once you are happy with the position, apply some heat with the hairdryer on high heat for about 30 seconds. Firmly press down on the strip, working out any remaining water or air from the material. Repeat the process with the heel section. Apply the template to the back of the smaller strip. Cut the heel section out. Test fit the heel section and trim if necessary. Spray a small amount of water on the heel section of the shoe. Apply the strip starting at the base of the heel, working your way towards the arch. Again, once you are happy with the position, apply some heat with a hairdryer on high heat for about 30 seconds. Firmly press down on the strip, working out any remaining water or air from the material. If necessary, you can trim off any overhanging material. An X-Acto knife or razor blade will work best, but the edge of scissors can also be used. Now repeat the process for the other shoe. Your shoes are now ready to wear. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us at the address you see on the screen. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.